Good afternoon, everyone, from the Queen Victoria. Here we are on day 3 of our voyage, actually, but day 2 was a bit of a wash because there was so much motion that both of us were laid low and could barely do anything beyond sleeping. So day 1 actually finished off on a much higher note than it started. Plenty of dancing in, and the orchestra was actually decent and played tunes that were pretty danceable, except for, of course, Eye of the Tiger as a slow waltz. Eye of the Tiger should never be a slow waltz. Yeah, day 3, here we are. Started off with Zumba. I managed to get breakfast in just in time because for whatever reason they're now closing the breakfast buffet at 10:30. They used to close it at 11, so that makes late eaters like me hardly ever have a chance at breakfast type foods, which I really do like. Anyway, first world problems, or Contessa world problems as we say. Today is Black and White Day, the Black and White Gala. So this evening we shall be getting dressed up in our black and white finery. Hopefully that will go well. Yeah, the seas have been super rough and I kind of am prone to motion sickness anyway, which you might think, why on earth would someone like that cruise? But normally it's not a problem. However, for whatever reason, Cunard in its infinite wisdom has decided to start and end most of its cruises in Southampton, which means to get most places south of Southampton, you have to cross the Bay of Biscay, which takes about 3 days. The Bay of Biscay is not known for being a placid, pleasant little body of water, and it certainly is not today. Oh, anyway, let's see, what else do we have going on? Got some video editing done before I was taken over completely by sickness yesterday. Hopefully we'll get some video editing done today. This one, however, is not really going to get edited. Guys, you are getting the raw footage on this. I hope you enjoy my stream of conscience journaling of my adventures. We're actually heading towards Funchal, Madeira, and we've been to Funchal before. We really enjoyed it, so we're looking forward to that. Let's see, some changes we've noticed on board. Oh, the new internet package, right, wanted to comment on that. So it used to be that your loyalty points, your loyalty level with Cunard, your frequent cruiser status got you a certain number of minutes of Wi-Fi access for free. Well, now you get a credit, and then you can decide whether you want to spend that credit on a whole voyage package or a 24-hour at a time package, and you can choose between basic level and, which is, you know, kind of, I assume, probably glacial speeds of internet, reminiscent of dial-up days, and then you can also choose a premium level. Well, the premium level we went for this to give it a test for you, and it does work for streaming on YouTube, although it was a little bit of a rough start. It does not work for uploading videos to YouTube, which is very annoying for content creators like me. It times out every 2 hours and automatically disconnects you. Also annoying, which means you can't just set something to upload, go to bed, and have it uploaded in the morning, not even a little bit. And all the starting and stopping on the upload has meant that I'm just gonna have to wait until I get into a port and get access to proper internet somewhere. Anyway, hashtag Contessa World Problems. I would say though that the premium speed is not really that speedy, and it takes forever for Facebook to open and to go from one message or notification to another. So still not quite up to snuff with what other cruise lines are offering in terms of internet and Wi-Fi access, and it's really kind of expensive, $30 for 24 hours. Not the cheapest in the world. Other things to note, the ships are really sailing quite full, so we're back up to speed. Passengers are not required to wear masks. And service employees seem to be, although not all employees. The pursers aren't wearing masks, for instance. So I think it just might be food service related employees are required to wear masks. I think there was an outbreak, so they're trying to protect passengers from that. Anything else?
New exercise equipment.
Oh, yes. In the gym, there is new exercise equipment, so it's no longer the machines that really limit the kind of impact you're getting from lifting weights. But it's now you actually have these kind of ropes, and so you actually have to control the vector very carefully, so you're getting a much more total body sort of weight training experience. So that's good. Otherwise, the gym is on deck 9 forward, which means right now it is not the place you want to be, because it is like a Disney roller coaster that just makes me as queasy as hell. Yeah, so otherwise it's been really great. I it's finally happened. Someone recognized me from my content, from posting around my travel content, and was so excited to finally meet me. That's Paul Cunard from the one of the many Cunard fora on Facebook. So that's exciting to actually get recognized. Otherwise, so far so good. We are enjoying ourselves, although the motion sickness has really been impacting our ability to do anything at all. Yeah, I don't like feeling like I'm wasting my life by just lying on a bed and staring at the ceiling as the boat rocks me up and down. Okay, well, that's it for now, everyone. I'll bring you another update tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about specific things that are happening. Until then, travel creative, and I hope that there's less motion. Bye, guys.